Do we see Edelweiss?
No, you have to go higher up. Edelweiss to see Edelweiss. Apparently she was smoking a lot. I know that. Yeah, because I know one student who was a student. This is why we have moved our arms slightly forward. I'm talking about 1-2 centimeters. The leg will break and the statue will fall over. Wow. South of Vienna as his birth. A few weeks, we're talking about 3 weeks. After this, we had this whole thing refurbished. So this afternoon, when you want to go inside, this afternoon, after the tour, the entrance, you have to use the side entrance at the moment, right? Where these people are standing. Still, what does it say? I didn't read the sign. Does it say 12:30? At what time are you leaving? You're staying here until? At what time are you leaving Innsbruck afterwards?
12:30.
12:30. Oh, okay.
More or less.
More or less? So I can just show you a picture. No,
It's less snow now, right?
up there is still going to melt.
Yeah,
By the end of June,
we had a lot more before, right?
it was all white. Even down here it was white.
I was expecting it to be all white.
Yeah. But now it's already mid-May, so by the end of June everything is done.
Oh, it's because of
By the end of June. Then there's no more snow. Please. Just a frame for a mural, for example. Something like that. Yeah.
What is it?
The wood, I have no idea.
Golden Reef.
Golden Reef. So still about 60 years ago, there was a guard and a watchman. In the Middle Ages, it was an important job that he had to fulfill. So he took the charges of the executions, and helped them up there.
Und jetzt dieses Ding hier. Dieses weiße hier.
Ah, ja.
Das ist das.
It's a green emerald-like color. And look at the color now. Grayish.
Camera?
Dito, ganyan. Yeah, very simple.
Imagine blowing on a boat and the phone
Hello guys, dito ka ngayon sa Innsbruck. Namamasyal kami sa Old Town tsaka yung commercial center nila. Makikita natin dyan yung Alps.
New town Since Maria Theresa named after her. Maria Theresa, the main street. I hope you enjoyed it.
Thank you.
I hope you
Hello guys! Walking tour dito sa Innsbruck sa kanilang commercial center.